Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you something absolutely crazy. Imagine this for a second. You wake up in the morning, and you have absolutely no camera, no fancy microphone, no actors, and no location scouted. But by the time evening rolls around, you have a full, cinematic, high-quality video ready to upload straight to YouTube. I know, it sounds completely impossible, right? Well, with Google's new AI model, Veo, this is becoming a reality. You just type a single sentence, and it creates the video for you. No shooting, no editing, no stress. This isn't just a cool new tool. This is the future of content creation. So, let's jump right in and explore how this changes everything. So, what exactly is this magical thing called Google Veo? In simple terms, Google Veo is Google's latest and most advanced AI video model. It's designed to do some incredible things. First, it can turn your text prompts into high-definition videos. We're talking realistic scenes, dynamic camera movements like drone shots or pans, and even believable characters that can show emotion. It can also generate stunning cinematic lighting, like that perfect golden hour glow everyone is always chasing. Think of it like this: you write the script, and the AI becomes your personal filmmaker, cinematographer, and director, all rolled into one. It takes your words and translates them into moving pictures, handling all the technical complexities behind the scenes. This is a massive leap from just generating short, glitchy clips. We're talking about a tool that understands cinematic language. Now, the big question on everyone's mind is, how can I get my hands on it? Right now, access to Google Veo is a bit limited, but it's expanding. The primary way to use it is through Google Labs, which is their platform for experimental new technologies. It's also being integrated into YouTube Create AI, a suite of tools designed to help creators make better content faster. Additionally, Google is partnering with select platforms to bring Veo's capabilities to more users. So, if you don't have access just yet, don't worry. It's a lot like the rollout of their Gemini AI. It's happening gradually. They're releasing it slowly to gather feedback and make sure it works perfectly. So keep an eye out, sign up for waitlists where you can, and your turn will come sooner than you think. The key is to be ready for when it drops. Alright, listen carefully, because this next part is the most important step. This is where the real magic happens. The quality of the video you get from Veo depends almost entirely on the quality of your prompt. This is the skill you need to master. You can't just be lazy and write something simple like, make a video of a mountain. If you do that, you'll get something generic, something boring. Instead, you need to be descriptive, like a director telling their crew exactly what they want. So instead of that simple prompt, you should write something like this: a cinematic shot of a lone traveler walking through a misty mountain forest at sunrise. Soft, golden light filters through the tall trees, creating long shadows. The camera movement is slow and smooth, creating a dramatic and contemplative atmosphere. Do you see the difference? The more detail you provide about the lighting, the camera movement, the mood, and the subject, the more professional and stunning your final video will be. Think like a filmmaker. Now we get to the really fun part, creating full videos. This is where Veo starts to feel less like a tool and more like a creative partner. You're not just making a single, isolated clip. You can string together multiple scenes to tell a complete story. It feels like you're directing a real movie. For example, you can describe scene 1 as a wide shot of a traveler walking towards the camera on a forest path. Then, for scene 2, you could write a breathtaking drone shot soaring high above the snow-capped mountains, revealing the vast landscape. For scene 3, you might want a more emotional moment, so you could prompt a close-up shot of the traveler's face, showing a mix of exhaustion and awe as they look at the view. And to finish it off, scene 4 could be a slow-motion shot of a powerful waterfall, with water splashing in intricate detail. You just describe each scene one by one, and Veo generates them for you. It's an entire production process without a camera, without a crew, without lighting rigs, and without any sound equipment. You are the director, and your keyboard is your entire studio. But what really makes Veo a potential game changer is that the process doesn't stop at generation. This is where it leaves many other AI video tools in the dust. Veo is being designed with built-in editing capabilities. This means you can do your post-production, but they're inside the platform. You can trim your clips to get the timing just right. You can rearrange the scenes to perfect the flow of your story. You can add background music to set the mood, and you can even add text overlays and subtitles directly onto your video. This is huge. It means you might not even need to export your clips to a separate video editor like Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. You can go from idea to finished, edited video all within one seamless workflow. This streamlines the entire content creation process in a way that we've never seen before, saving you countless hours and a lot of technical headaches. Once your masterpiece is complete and you're happy with how it looks, the final steps are simple. You can export your video in high definition, ready for any platform. Whether you're creating long-form content for YouTube, a short, punchy video for Instagram Reels, or a viral clip for TikTok, the output is optimized for it. You just click export, and then you upload it. That's it, done. Think about what this eliminates. There's no long filming day, no need for expensive gear, no frustrating retakes because an actor messed up a line or a car drove by in the background, and for many no more spending days or even weeks editing everything together. The entire traditional workflow is condensed into a single session, your computer. This is a revolution for solo creators, small businesses, and anyone who has a story to tell but lacks the resources to produce it traditionally. So, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of video creation and you want to get ahead of the curve, I've got something for you. If you want free prompt templates that you can copy and paste amazing video ideas that will work perfectly with this new technology and a list of other free AI tools that will supercharge your content, just comment down below with the words AI Video Master. That's AI Video Master. Comment that below, and I'll share all of those resources with you. This is just the beginning, and you're in the right place to master it. And of course, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.